Alright, hello, good day, and welcome. My name is Mr. JB, and today we're going through another PHOTOPEA tutorial. Today we're going through using our spot healing brush as a way to remove objects. In this situation, we're removing people from our background. Now this works great if you have somebody in the background that you don't want, maybe a previous partner or a person that you didn't even know was there in the background, and you just want them gone out of whatever it is. You can hop in here, drop in your image, and then you go to this spot healing brush tool. It looks like the band-aid. Just right click it and make sure that you select the top one, and then you're going to select your space. Now it's really important that as you are selecting, you're clicking and holding, and then you are basically covering a little bit of the pixel information that's on the outside of whatever your object is. That way the program has a little bit of something to grab and kind of figure out what is supposed to be within there, because it's going to make it look like that person was never there. You want to make sure that you're not doing something too large. As this is doing its thing, it can take a couple seconds depending on your computer. If you're using a Chromebook or you're a student, this can take a long time depending on what you have. If I was removing this person right here and the other three people as well, it would probably lag out your computer and potentially even crash it. Now, I've still got a shadow, so I'm going to remove that shadow, and it's really straightforward. Now, I could do that for the same thing with these other folks. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer because sometimes it ends up putting pixel information in different places, but it is pretty quick when you're doing this to remove some small things. If you need to remove a ton, there's other ways to do it, but this is the best way that I know for removing small little pieces and imperfections throughout your image or throughout whatever it is that you have. Now, with that, that's all that we're going to cover for today. I'm not going to go do the other people because it's just more of the same. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned something. Have a wonderful day, take care, and be safe.